Okay, so we'll be discussing about search engine optimization. Okay, SEO. Okay, so let me put it into central aligned. Okay, I will put it into a topic or a title. Okay, search engine optimization. Basically, we can divide search engine optimization into three types. Number one is on-page SEO. Okay, okay. Number
Okay.
two is off-page SEO. One is on-page SEO, another one is off-page SEO, which means the SEO activities that you do it on your website is called on-page SEO. Okay, and that you do away from your
Okay.
website is called off-page SEO. And we have something called a technical SEO.
Oh,
Technical SEO. Those search engine optimization practices that the website developers will do, not you and me. Okay, right?
okay. Which
Technical,
one's the technical issue?
yeah, technical SEO, something that the web developer will do, not us. Okay. But see, we can
Okay.
do, but provided if you know the machine language knowledge like PHP or how to edit the coding, and if you are interested in development, you can go ahead and try to do that. But we will not be able to do this. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So the three major things that we can segregate is basically called on-page SEO, off-page SEO. We have something called a technical SEO, and I just would like to let you know there is something called advanced SEO, advanced SEO concepts.
Okay.
Okay, maybe advanced SEO concepts may be the recent concept that are introduced. What is what I can say? Okay, now so if you look into what are these on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO, and advanced SEO, okay, we will be discussing about in detail about all these modules. We will try. Okay, number one is basically the
Okay.
on-page SEO, which I already spoke. Okay, let me just use the small alignment here. Okay, so one after another, let us discuss. On page SEO.
Okay.
This is just a summary about the search engine optimization. Okay, on page SEO. Any SEO activity that is performed by logging into the admin portal and the changes are visible in the front screen of the website is called as on page SEO practices. Hope you're getting a point. Any activity that is performed by logging into the admin portal of the website. By using a username and password, you will be logging inside. Okay, right? And you will
Okay.
go out and make a change in the website's logo, website's cover photo, website's content. You will change the title, you will change the text, you will edit the image, you will remove image. And whatever you do, that people can see it on the screen. Okay, and also they can feel the
Okay.
impact of it, yes or no?
Yes, that means it is live.
Yes. So when people can feel the impact of this, and how will they feel it? When you write a content, and if your content has got lots of spelling mistakes, people will feel like, hey, what is this man? He has written a very poor content. Correct.
Correct.
Right. Once somebody looks at the image and the image is like kind of, it is irritating someone else's eyes, and the person cannot look at the image design because it is like kind of blinking or like that, and the user is not comfortable. Correct. So
Okay.
anything that you do on your website, you load your website, the website is taking more time. Now the user gets frustrated. Okay, right? So
Yes.
any activity that as a developer or a website owner, you go out and make a change inside by logging in with your username and a password. And those changes are visible in the front screen of a website. We can term that one as an on-page SEO. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And the next thing we call it as off-page SEO. Okay, off-page SEO, which means any activity that you do you away from your website. You don't need to log into your website. Okay, you don't even need to open a website. Any SEO based activity that is performed away from the website without having admin access is called as off-page SEO practices.
Yes.
Okay, we can term this one
Okay.
as off-page SEO practice. For example, you take a link of a website and you put it into Amazon, I mean like Facebook. Okay. Now, if you know the link of the website, amazonkumar.com, let me say, you can go to facebook.com and share it as a post by typing like, hey, visit this website for your digital marketing requirements. And you type it as https colon double forward slash dot 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 amazonkumar.com. Okay. Right. And if you do that, to share your URL or a content to other people, they don't need to come and log into your website as a user, correct? If they have the
Yes.
link, they can share, correct?
Correct.
So what happens? Any activity that you do away from your website is basically called off-page SEO. Okay, and we have something called technical SEO. Okay, any SEO activity, technical SEO. Okay, it can be a part of on-page SEO or off-page SEO, but still any changes needs to be done on a website on the technical front, like redesigning the website, including or adding the tracking code, improving the performance of the website speed and loading time. You are getting a point? The website is very slow.
Yes, sir.
Design is not good. It is having a very high memory. Website image sizes are very high or heavy. Makes sense. So like these things that
Yes.
needs to be taken care. Okay, those comes under the technical SEO. Got my point?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
great. So now the final SEO that we have is basically called the advanced SEO. Okay, advanced SEO, which means like the latest technologies we can call it as at times. Okay, very interesting thing is with respect to advanced SEO that we can call it as is. I will explain in detail about this one to you. Okay, structured data, implementation of structured data. Okay, implementation of any SEO related practices by following the latest trend and updates that is released by the search engine companies can be considered as advanced SEO. Make sense? Okay, I'm going to
Okay.
discuss in detail about one after another. Okay, we will be able to understand. Okay, on page SEO. So, what are the things we call it as on page SEO? As I've already said, anything that impacts the people's emotion when they visit the website, we need to make it set right. Okay, so once we make it set right, things will be taken care. Number one, you will be having a content. That content needs to be optimized, and as I've already said, okay, you will be having a text content, correct? Okay, and you'll be having a image content. Okay, so you'll be having a video content also. Video. So how do you add a text, how do you add image, and how do you add video inside your content? You're getting a point? Okay, so
Yes,
you'll
sir.
be having a text, you'll be having image, and you'll be having video. And how do you optimize all this is what we will be covering under on page SEO techniques. It will be easy for us because we have already discussed about writing content earlier. Okay, right, it will be easy for us
Okay.
because we already discussed about writing content earlier. And off page SEO, okay, so before that, the on page SEO can be considered as a production unit of a website. The on page SEO practices can be considered as a production unit of a website where the product is produced with utmost care and high quality. So the product will have a good quality and people will be taking very much care about it. You're getting a point? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, the off page SEO, what people will do under off page SEO practices. Okay. We can relate the off-page SEO practices to a marketing and promotion technique for a product that is manufactured with good quality. Make sense?
Okay.
So, an on-page SEO practices can be related to a manufacturing practices of a plant or an industry where they manufacture a quality product. Now, what is the product for a website? It is an image, text content, and a video content. Correct. Now,
Correct.
under on-page SEO topic, we will be manufacturing or producing a very good quality content. It can be either a text or it can be an image or it can be a video. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Now, under off page, we will be promoting the product like it is equivalent to a marketing team of a particular business. That's basically off page. Okay. And the technical SEO, which we can refer to, is basically like a construction of a house, right? Construction of a house. Only the engineer knows like how he will design it and how he will implement it. Okay. And advanced SEO is nothing but the upgrading to the latest trend and practices. Okay, so all we have discussed till now is related to the summary or overview of search engine optimization.